Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss on homeopathic medicine Abrotenum, also known as southern wood. Belongs to the family. This plant belongs to the family Compositaceae. This medicine is very useful for the marasmus of the children with weakness all over the body. Marked emaciation, especially marked emaciation, especially legs, skin folded and flappy and hung in the folds. Children's which are irritable, inhuman, violent, and like to be something cruel. Such children looks old, pale, and face is wrinkled like the old people's. Hunger but losing flesh, eating more but going weak and weak. Marasmus which starts especially from the legs and progress towards the head. Neck is weak, neck muscles are weak, so such children cannot hold their head properly. So weak children and irritable with severe constipation. Constipation and diarrhea alternates with swelling on the joints, especially wrist joint and ankle joint. All the joints swell up, but these two joints are more affected. Such children's required Abrotenum, which is a very good remedy for such children's which are going weak and affected by marasmus. There are some diseases which are alternate with each other in such children's like mumps and swelling of the testicles or hydrocele. In females, mumps alternate with swelling at the breast. In such cases, we can use Abrotenum with a good results, and my experience is from 30 to 200 potencies. If we use 30 potency and repeat it thricely daily, when we use 200, we can revise it weekly.